Today I want to show how you can use Qlik to address an issue that's affecting many organizations today, employee retention. First, I'll show how you can use Qlik to identify what groups in your employee population you're having trouble retaining. Next, we'll use Qlik to actually predict which active employees are most likely to leave next. And then lastly, we'll take action to address the issue using Qlik. So it looks like I received a Qlik alert for the current quarter's employee turnover rate. I'm going to go ahead and jump into the app just to see what's occurring. From here I can see a couple things off the bat. I can see New Jersey has had the greatest turnover with a slight uptick this last quarter. Now the turnover rate may not be super urgent yet, but we've definitely had more turnover activity the last couple quarters, so it's worth looking into this period of time. Alright, it looks like the process department has had some issues with turnover just by looking at how it's highlighted here. We need to see what's really driving the employee turnover. To find out, let's use Qlik AutoML. So this is Qlik's no-code automated machine learning capability. After creating a project and naming our analysis within the project, we'll first create a model by letting Qlik learn about employee turnover from a data set it can be trained on. I'm going to go ahead and use the East Region employee data set and target the separated field, which indicates whether the employee is active or not, for Qlik to learn from. Now we can see all the things that Qlik has learned on what keeps employees from leaving or staying. The second step in the process is to use this model to create predictions on all the active employees in the rest of the country to see who's likely to leave. Now we can see how many employees it thinks are going to stay versus go. But what's even more valuable is that we can take the prediction output and join it back into our Qlik data model. Now I can easily integrate this new prediction data into my analysis. I might ask, what's flight risk percentage by department? And it looks like the strategy department actually has the highest probability of folks leaving, followed by the process department, which we've already pointed out. Now I know we've historically have had lots of issues with turnover in IT, so I'll search on flight risks in this organization. Below, it's telling me that days since vacation is the biggest reason for people leaving. They're just too overworked. So let's concentrate on employees with the greatest chance of leaving. I'm going to go ahead and select Notify Management. When I click this button, Qlik will use Qlik Application Automation to send a note through Microsoft Teams notifying management about these employees who are likely to leave the organization and even assign someone to take action. It also automatically distributes an email to these employees with an employee satisfaction survey just to get direct feedback from the employees. So hopefully this allowed you to see how Qlik can support your entire analytics journey, from easily gaining insights on what's happening now to predicting what will happen in the future, so you can ultimately go from being reactive to proactive.